Let's look at this JAMB past question, Geography 2018, question number 16. An instrument used for setting out right angle in surveying a parcel of land is A measuring rod, B Abney level, C a ranging pole, D theodolite, E an optical square. Now, with good knowledge of geography, we know that the optical square is actually the instrument used by surveyors in getting what? Right angles. So we actually need the optical square for setting out a right angle. Now, an optical square is used to set out lines at right angles to the main chain line in chain surveying. Now, so whenever you're talking about chain surveying, we talk about the use of optical square to get lines that are at right angles. Whenever you're talking about lines that are at right angles, that's what you use for that. Now, it is used for similar purpose as the cross staff. So it is used for similar purpose as the cross staff, but it is easier to use and to greater accuracy. So this optical square is having a very good accuracy. Now there are two methods of using it. You can use the mirror method and the prism method. So you can actually explore the two methods of using it, which are the mirror method and number two, the prism square method. So these are the two ways of using the optical square. So optical square is the right answer to this, and that's why we're picking it. And you can see more of this when you check chain surveying. Thank you.